Kamigalia hakajito dieng kalayo ikakubor ke bosuntunan bat ke bakampala namar hakani kesengi bakalongkemi bayo yo COVID-19 kalaka do kun senrang Honeygrams Hospital. Katai kelaja tang hadin kenyak enta ba kamigalia kalayo ikakubor baki don hadu ndemut ki balakoj nau kunyang COVID-19. Kumbalong hadu menta ki don setang arpsangut ki bdang don hakijaka ajing sumar paper hakajela.
Mother has delivered normally, male baby, and both are doing fine, both are healthy, and now the mother has to complete a quarantine. 14 days we will test again, and once they turn out to be negative as per protocol, then we will discharge them. In the meantime, baby also we are asking the authorities from Negrams to follow all procedures, take the sample of the baby and test accordingly to find out. And this is a new virus, so we don't know what is the transmission rate, how fast it will transmit, whether it will transmit at later stage of pregnancy. That we'll see when once we test the baby. When she reaches 14 days, we have to take again one sample test. That is the procedure. And if it turns out to be negative, again after 24 hours. If it's positive, then again we same procedure. After 3 days, we take the sample again.